Imagine a test that can open doors to the world for you. That's the International English Language Testing System, or IELTS. Accepted globally, the test offers two versions tailored to your needs. The academic, for those seeking higher education or professional registration, and the general training, for those looking at professional qualifications or immigration purposes. Each version assesses the 4 key language skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, providing a comprehensive evaluation of your English proficiency. Now let's introduce Netcom Systems, your reliable partner in this journey. With over 13 years of outstanding service, Netcom Systems administers the globally respected IELTS test in Iraq, Syria, and Lebanon. Offering both IELTS on computer and paper-delivered tests, we ensure the IELTS is accessible to everyone. With IELTS, you are stepping into a world of opportunities, and Netcom Systems is your trusted guide on this journey. When it comes to taking your IELTS, why should you choose Netcom Systems? Well, let's dive into that. One of the key advantages is availability. With Netcom Systems, you have the flexibility to take the IELTS on a computer 3 times a day, 6 days a week. And talk about speed. The total IELTS test time falls under 3 hours, and you can expect your results in just 13 days for paper-based tests and only 3 to 5 days for computer-delivered tests. Now let's talk reputation. Netcom Systems is a globally recognized institute, having bagged numerous awards for its outstanding leadership and management approach. We're also proud to administer the IELTS, co-owned and co-created by a global partnership of education and language experts. Netcom Systems is not just a testing service, it's a globally respected institution committed to your success. At Netcom Systems, we believe in providing not just a service, but an outstanding experience. This belief is embodied in our approach to customer support. Our dedicated team is available around the clock every day of the week, ensuring that no query or concern goes unanswered. But we don't stop at answering questions. We are committed to equipping you with all the tools you need to succeed. That's why we offer free test preparation sessions online. These sessions, led by experienced instructors, guide you through the intricacies of the IELTS exam, helping you gain a solid grasp of what to expect. To further support your preparation, we provide a free assessment test for IELTS. This gives you a clear picture of where you stand and the areas you need to work on. Additionally, we offer a free book packed with practice materials, tips, and tricks to ace the IELTS. With our customer-first approach, you are never alone in your IELTS journey. Netcom Systems is with you every step of the way. To know more about our services, please click on the link below or contact our customer support team.